diggy diggy, diggy diggy. Dog, diggy diggy, diggy diggy. Dog, diggy diggy, diggy diggy. Egg, egg, egg. Dog, diggy diggy, diggy diggy. Egg, egg. Sound travels further than light. Sound spots our universe into life. On Logos word, vibration beckons all to birth and rebirth. First thing, first person on earth, first heard was that which gave birth to first word. The kernel, the undifferentiated sonorous spur of all via cosmic will rhythmically unfurl. The preternatural primogenitor of MP3, CDs and vinyl spinning like subatomic particles at 33 1/3. The more she observed, the more her first nerves were unnerved with the first surge of electromagnetic sensory activity, igniting our species' perennial proclivity for expressive creativity. See, sound travels further than light. Sound spots our universe into light. Oh, Logos word, vibration burns all to birth and rebirth. See, cyclical is this life, like the motion from day to night. Night, does the sun rise or does the earth turn? How will it end? Will you sentient by? Or will we burn? Will we burn? Will we burn? She absorbed, the more her blooming compound thoughts and freely fluctuating utterances metamorphed. Her neural pathways divined the cause that brought forth the first XY torso. Their carnal consorts ensured that waves of babies born within their linguistic core, wingtip worlds of emanue verbal excursions, veritable versions similar to suffuse beneficent synapse trickling systems, eliciting an inherent initiation of the cerebral cortex's vast vernacular vortex that launched the second choice and adorned the medulla oblongata, the cerebrospinal fire starter. See, sound travels further than light. Sound spots our universe into life. Oh, Logos word, vibration turns all to birth and rebirth. Cyclical is this life, like the motion from day to night. Does the sun rise or does the earth turn? How will it end? Will we ascend or will we burn? Will we burn? Will we burn? Will we burn? See, sound travels further than light. Sound but the universe into life. Oh, Logos word, vibration brings all to birth, rebirth. Cyclical is this life, like the motion from day to night. Night, as the sunrise does turn. How will it end? Or will we burn?